Are you curious about what goes on behind the scenes? We're excited to take you on a journey through our office, giving you a glimpse of where the magic happens. Virtual Flux Africa isn't just a place of work, it's a hub of innovation, collaboration, and creativity. Let's get started. Virtual Flux Africa was founded on the principles of technological innovation and customer-centric service. Over the years, we've grown into a leading provider of digital solutions, partnering with global tech giants like Zoho, Sophos, and Howtosoft to deliver unparalleled value to our clients. Our team is our greatest asset. A typical day at Virtual Flux Africa starts with energy and purpose. Our team gathers for a quick morning huddle where we discuss the day's goals, share updates, and align on our priorities. This practice ensures that everyone is on the same page and ready to tackle the day's challenges. The office layout is thoughtfully designed with dedicated spaces for focused work, collaboration, and relaxation, ensuring that our team has everything they need to excel in their roles. So, that's it on today's episode. Thank you for joining us. Until then, stay connected with us through our website and social media channels. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss a thing.